Text, Beltone HearMax app, how to save sound enhancer adjustments to an existing favorite. Open the Beltone HearMax app. Download on the App Store or get it on Google Play. The icon is a blue rectangle that contains a globe with light blue arrows around it and the logo, Beltone. A user proceeds as described on a mobile phone screen. Select the favorite you would like to adjust by swiping to the left. They select Office. Tap Sound Enhancer on the bottom below the volume bar. Sliders for bass, middle, and treble sounds appear, with a slider for speech focus below. Make desired adjustments. The user moves the sliders to their preferred levels. Tap Save in the bottom right. Tap X in the top right. A logo, Beltone. Learn more at www.beltone.com.